You can create mind maps in Visual Paradigm Online OpenDocs, either as reusable diagrams or as maps that stay on a single page. To build a reusable mind map, click the plus icon next to a node and select New Component Page. This creates a new diagram item. When asked for the diagram type, choose Mind Maps, then select Mind Map. The editor opens with a starter layout where you can add topics, subtopics, and supporting ideas. You can structure everything manually or use Create with AI to generate an initial draft. Just remember that AI replaces anything already on the canvas. After the draft is created, adjust the branches, reorganize the layout, and expand the map until it matches your ideas. When you're done, click Save, then use the back arrow to return to your page. Your mind map is now reusable and can be inserted anywhere. To insert it to a page, edit the page. Click Insert, choose Mind Maps, and select Import Existing. Pick your mind map, and it will appear immediately. If you only need the mind map on a single page, you can also create it directly inside that page. While editing, click Insert, choose Mind Maps, and select Mind Map. The editor will open, and you can build the structure manually or let AI generate a starting point. Again, you can always modify the AI-generated mind map to fit your need. Once finished, save and close the editor, and the mind map will be added to your page.